Hi, I'm Andrew. Do you want to learn how to use Stripe for payment for your small business? If yes, then you must watch this video till the end. All right, so now we're in Stripe website. So just go stripe.com, stripe.com, okay? stripe.com. So then if a Malaysian, they automatically goes like English-MY. So it doesn't matter. So once you're here, now, I assume that you already have Stripe accounts. If you're not, you can watch my earlier videos, okay, previous video over here, and that will teach you how to register for Stripe, and it's free to register. So once you have your accounts registered and ready to use, all you need is just go here and sign in. So I will see you right inside the Stripe account. Okay, right now we're in the Stripe account dashboard, the home page. Yeah. Now, here I'm just testing it, right? So I'm just turning on the test data. You're not, you just click this button to turn it to viewing test data. So right now you can see I'm in the test data. Okay. So all you need is you want to play around with this, turn on the test data, then you can play around with this. All right. So now, so once you come in here, what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the product, okay? Click on the products here. All right, so right now just create some test product over here. So right now I'm going to walk you through how to create your own product. Let's say, for example, just click on this, add products, and give yourself a product name. So let's say this product 1, okay? And then if you want description, you can put in the description. It doesn't matter. So very simple. If you want, then optional, you can upload your product image. You doesn't want, doesn't matter. Okay, this is product 1. So the next part will be pricing, which is the most important part. So all you need here is click this arrow down, and then you can see this pricing model, select standard pricing. It has a few, right? So just select standard pricing, okay? I'm going to teach you like standard pricing is just straightforward things, yeah? So here, if you are not in the Malaysian ringgit, just change this Malaysian ringgit, or you want to charge US dollars, then you change the currency here. Then here, let's say I want to put something 50 ringgit, okay? Then is this one time or recurring? Let's do one time, yeah? Just one time. So meaning that you only like selling stuff. Okay, let's say I'm selling my books for 50 ringgit. That's all. So after that, very simple, save products. So after you save product, you got your product 1. Okay, and then very important is that you want to go here, click this 3 dots button, click here, and then click here, get checkout code snippets. All right, so when you come to here, okay, then you will have your code snippet generator. So here the success URL, then you want to change it to the success URL, meaning that after the customers pay, which page would they want to go to, right? So let's say you want them to go to whatever your website, abc.com. Then maybe you have your, let's say you're selling ebooks, then you can put in your ebooks download page. All right, so something like that. Okay, and then they will just, after they pay successfully, it will go there. Then if they cancel, then you want to put in something like your website. If they go to the checkout and then they decide that they want to cancel, right? They don't want to continue. So where do they want to go to? So you send them to another page, cancel page, right? So maybe you want to just put a form there to understand why they don't want to continue, or you can put more testimonials to reassure them the trust and so on. So this will be the cancel page. Then over here, once you put in this, then this is the coding, right? Now, If you do not know how to do it, then get your website designer or developer to help you on that. So you need is just copy this, and then they can put into their website, embed into the website. Then you will have a buy button. All right. So once you do that, then your product setup is done. Very simple. Okay. Then when your website will have this product with this buy button, and the customer will click on this buy button, then they will go to the so-called Stripe checkout page. So this is how you create the product easily, right? Now, same thing you can do like for subscription. If you have subscription, so something like this is already created earlier on, okay? So all you need is to set the pricing. Okay, set the pricing. Let's say here, let me go and edit, can show you. So instead of one time just now, we set the recurring. Yeah. So once you set the recurring, you can set the price, and then the billing period is monthly or yearly. Then that's all. Okay. So this is for if you want to set a subscription kind of fees, right? Let's say you have a membership. So fitness membership class or fitness membership groups or website that you teach like every week or every month certain exercise and so on, then your customers may opt to pay by subscription every month. So every month you automatically charge to the customers. So this is by subscription. So it's very simple, and all you need is get the code. So same thing here, the subscription here, the same thing here. All you need is get this checkout code, set up all this success URL, copy this code, put onto your website, and that's all. So this is a very simple way how to use Stripe to collect payment for you. Okay, so I hope this short video shows you how or a way that you can start collecting money using Stripe payment gateway, which is a pretty stable and pretty good payment gateway. And the good news is that it has no annual fees at all. All right, so I hope this video will help you get an idea. Now, if you have any question, do leave your comments below, and I'll try my best to answer you. Now, if you're interested to build an e-commerce website or web store or e-commerce business, remember to go to my website, andrewcheah.com. There are a lot of resources for you, as well as if you want a consultation session with me for free, right? So in these 30 minutes, then I can walk you through the process one-to-one, depends on what kind of problems or what kind of help that you need. Just go right below the description and click on the consultation link to book your free session. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe right now and click on the notification bell so that every time when we publish new content, you will be notified. And I'm Andrew Cheah, and I'm signing off. I'll see you right soon on my next video. Meanwhile, watch all these videos that I created for you.